Affiliate marketing tips from experts who understand. With our mixed market economy, businesses are free to compete and battle on a daily basis. It is important for you as a business owner to have the upper hand, or at the very least, be on the same level as your competitors. This video will provide you with the information about affiliate marketing, so you can keep up or even surpass your competition. One affiliate marketing program to take advantage of is a pay-per-click search engine. A PPC engine is one that prioritizes search results according to advertiser payments. When you bid on a keyword with a PPC engine, your site will appear higher on searches for that keyword. Because you only pay the PPC engine for successful searches that direct visitors your way, bidding for PPC keywords can be a very cost-effective strategy. The best affiliate marketing partners to work with are those that provide copious communication with their webmasters. Affiliates that have established robust customer service and feedback systems are easier to work with than fly-by-night advertisers. Partnering with affiliates that have plenty of support available will cut down on the hassle website owners have to go through to make affiliate marketing pay off. Choose your affiliate marketing product with care. You should only choose products that you can actually endorse and that you know something about. If you are passionate about fitness and health, that is the niche your products should come from. If you know a lot about dog training, your products should be chosen from this niche. As stated in the beginning of this video, businesses are free to compete, so you, being a business owner, need to actively compete with your competitors. Take the information about affiliate marketing that has been provided in this video and use these techniques to get the sales you want and push down your competition. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.